Today we will study the equivalent circuit of a single phase transformer, and for that we need to perform two different tests. One is open circuit test, another one is short circuit test. So open circuit test is done to determine the core loss of a transformer. As we know, this is the equivalent circuit of a single phase transformer. This is the magnetizing reactance, this is the core loss resistance. So during no load test or open circuit test, your secondary side of the transformer is left open and supply voltage is provided to the primary side only. And open circuit test is done at rated voltage. Okay. The current flowing through the circuit is through the magnetizing inductance and this core loss resistance only. They are given by Im and Ic. Core loss occurs only in the core loss resistance component. Okay. So for open circuit test, this is the connection diagram of the open circuit test. 230 volt supply through a fuse. This is the variac. This is the variac here. You can increase or decrease the voltage by rotating this movable knob. So through a variac, this is our transformer. Open circuit, as we have said, open circuit test is done at the low voltage side. High voltage side is left open, or you can connect a voltmeter. The input side is connected to a voltmeter. The voltmeter, see, the voltmeter is connected in parallel with the supply. This is the wattmeter. This is the ammeter. So voltmeter gives you the no load voltage, wattmeter gives you the no load power, and ammeter reading gives you the no load current. And the entire test is performed at rated voltage of the LV side. We have performed the experiment on a transformer which is single phase. See, pH equal to 150 Hz, 50 cycle per second. Input is 230 volt, output is 25 volt. Capacity is 1 kilovolt ampere, 1 kVA. Okay, so from the rating 1 kVA, this is the rating of the kVA rating or capacity rating of the transformer divided by low voltage is 25 volt. So what is the rated current at the low voltage side? 1 kVA by 25 volt, you will get 40 ampere current. 40 ampere current. And in 40 ampere current, 40 ampere and 2 to 6% of this 40 ampere current is coming out to be 0.8 ampere to 1.25 ampere. Okay. So based on this data, as we know, no load current of a transformer during open circuit test, we call it no load current. It is around 2 to 6% of the rated current. Rated current is 40 ampere and its 2 to 6% is coming out to be 0.8 to 1.25 ampere. And accordingly we will select the ammeter. Okay, so here we have used this ammeter to measure the open circuit current or no load current in the primary side, that is 0 to 1 ampere. This is the wattmeter. As we know, the circuit is highly inductive in nature. R and L are connected in parallel. So the power factor of the circuit is very low. That is why a specially designed wattmeter is used here. This is called low power factor wattmeter. It can measure up to 0.2 low power factor. Okay. So let us start the experiment. This is the variac. In low voltage side, we will increase the voltage up to 25 volt. Accordingly, we will take the reading of no load current, which is coming out to be 0.5 ampere. And let us take the wattmeter reading. Wattmeter reading is around 3.9 into 2, that is 7.8 watt. So these are the readings: no load voltage, no load current, and no load power. No load voltage is at rated voltage 25 volt and no load current is 0.5 ampere. No load power is coming out to be 7.8 watt. So this no load power is nothing but the coal loss of the transformer. Is the no load voltage is the rated voltage, rated LV voltage, LV, and this is the 2 to 6% in the range of 2 to 6% of rated current, that is 40 ampere.